What is going on, YouTube? Johnny Bubbles back with another cleaning video. As you just seen, Victor Almighty got these super trash for us and a fun little video that we wanted to do for you guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you want Vic to do another intro for another cleaning video, because honestly, I had a good time. He had a good time. He almost had a couple falls, but he ended up being safe and sound and no one got hurt. But today I am going to be cleaning these Futurecraft Alpha Bounces by Adidas using Reshoevn8r's advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and sneaker laundry detergent that is available at reshoevn8r.com. So without further ado, guys, let's get bubbly. All right, guys, for this video I am going to be cleaning the left pair, so I'm going to go ahead and put the right one on the floor right there. Now the first step is to grab our adjustable shoe trees. I did cheat a little bit and I looked at the size beforehand. These are a size 7. So I think I'm gonna take it up to the 3rd hole right there. Let's see where that's at. Oh, a little short. Right there. That one should be good. Click it in. Yep. Now the next step, guys, remove the laces. All right, guys, now that the laces are removed, I am gonna go ahead and move this stuff on over to my right side, so that way it's a little easier for me to grab. Now the next step, guys, is to grab your bottom solution, put it in a bowl of water. 2 small squirts is all you need. And then I'm gonna begin cleaning the uppers using our soft bristle brush. Now guys, anytime you are cleaning a knitted material such as these Alpha Bounces, you always want to start with the soft bristle brush. This will allow you to get a real deep cleaning. You can scrub as hard as you want and it's not going to cause any fraying. Now if you do have deeper stains, which I do kind of see some right here on that toe box, you can go over it with the all-purpose brush, which I will go ahead and do in just a bit. But you want to make sure that you go in light directions so that way you don't cause any fraying. But I'll go ahead and show you that after I'm done with this soft bristle brush. All right, guys, so I am done hitting up the uppers with the soft bristle brush. As you can see, I went ahead and got most of that dirt and stains off, but there are some of the deeper stains, like right here on this toe box, along the side here, all right here, and a little bit on the back heel tab as well. So what I'm gonna do is move on to hitting those deeper stains with the all-purpose brush. And then with that same all-purpose brush, I am gonna move on to these midsoles and get them nice and clean. I've never cleaned this 4D material before, so hopefully it cleans up. So as I mentioned before, guys, anytime you are cleaning any knitted materials and you are using the all-purpose brush, you wanna go ahead and just do quick strokes in one direction. You don't wanna go in multiple directions. Unless you see that the fraying is not happening and that the shoe is gonna be safe, then you're okay to go back and forth or in multiple directions. But for this shoe, I'm just gonna go ahead and go in one direction only. All right, guys, I think I am done hitting up the uppers with the all-purpose brush. I do still see, like on this toe box, there is a little bit of that stain that's still here. So hopefully the laundry system cleans that up, but the sides here and up here are looking pretty good. One thing I want to point out before I move on to the midsoles, guys, is how you see half of the midsole is starting to get clean just on the solution suds itself. I haven't even scrubbed the midsoles, but just from the solution suds going down, it looks like it's breaking down that dirt pretty good. So hopefully I get most of it out, or at least all of it out, with the all-purpose brush, and then the laundry system will flush out everything that's on the inside. So let's hit that midsole now. All right, guys, so I just finished hitting up the midsole with the all-purpose brush. Go ahead and check that out. Now, when cleaning the midsole, I mean, I thought it was gonna feel a little different because of the Futurecraft 4D, but it just felt like a normal midsole, to be honest with you. I don't see any dirt on the surface area. Now, there are still some little bubbles in between, like the material, which it looks like there's a little bit of dirt in there, but I can't really see. So hopefully the laundry system does take that out. But the next step, guys, is to move on to the outsoles, and I'm gonna clean those up using our stiff bristle brush.
So guys, I am done cleaning the outsole. Go ahead and check that out right there. Look at that bottom, looking super, super clean. And that was just using the stiff bristle brush. So go ahead and check that out. Now the next step, guys, in this cleaning process is to clean the laces. Now what you're gonna wanna do is just grab the laces, dip them in your bowl solution and water mixture. Just like that. You wanna get them nice and bubbly. Go ahead and pick it up, blow a bubble, and get to cleaning. While I was cleaning these laces, came to my mind, I'm pretty sure one of you guys out there has tried to blow a bubble with your laces before. Let me know in the comment section below if you've ever tried blowing a bubble with your laces. All right guys, the laces are all clean. I went ahead and put them inside of the shoe. The next step is to grab our shoe and our laundry bag. Put the shoe in the laundry bag just like so. I wanna go ahead and make sure you lock it up so the shoes don't come out during the wash. Boom, let's go put these in the washer. All right guys, it's time to put the 4Ds in the washing machine. Hopefully they clean up real nice. I'm gonna go ahead and grab our sneaker laundry detergent that is available at reshoevn8er.com. Gonna loosen the cap, squeeze it to an ounce. Gonna go ahead and just pour it directly on the shoe. It's not gonna hurt it. Close that up. Wash, medium cycle is fine. Cold water and start it. And we'll be back. What is up guys, we are back. I went ahead and let these 4Ds dry overnight, and I mean, I don't even know what to say. Let me show you guys a side-by-side comparison of how good these came out. Now I know what some of you guys are gonna say, they switched out the shoe, it's a brand new shoe. It's definitely not a new shoe. It's the exact same pair that we started with, and I'm just honestly not surprised because our Reshoevn8er Advanced 3 brush does its thing. But when you see a side-by-side comparison like that, it's just crazy how clean they really cleaned up, guys. Let me go ahead and show you guys a 360 just so you guys get the full effect. Now another thing that I was worried about, guys, was this midsole. As you know, it's made out of that 4D technology, which I've never seen before until this shoe, and we've never cleaned it. So I wasn't sure how much of that laundry system was gonna get the mud out, but thankfully it got every single little speck of dirt out of that midsole and cleaned it out, which can only be done, guys, using Reshoevn8er's Advanced 3-Brush Sneaker Laundry System and Sneaker Laundry Detergent that is available at reshoevn8er.com. Guys, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like today's video and you want us to do more 4Ds, hit that like button, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you thought about our intro. Should we have Vick and more intros? Just let me know in the comment section below. Maybe we'll take your word on it, all right? I'm Johnny Bubbles, guys, and I'll see you next time.